In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Pipedrive to email a list. We're going to walk through how to send an email to a specific group of people directly from Pipedrive, using its built-in list view and group email tools. By the end, you'll know exactly how to define your list, select the right contacts, and send a polished email using a template. First, make sure you're logged into your Pipedrive account and that you have access to the People section. From your main dashboard, look for the People tab in the navigation bar and open the People list view. This is where all of your contacts are displayed in a table-like format. Think of this view as your master contact list, where you can filter and segment people based on different criteria. Next, we're going to narrow this down to just the people you want to email. In the top right corner of the People list view, you'll see a filter icon. Click that, then choose the option to add a new filter. Here you can define exactly who should be in your list. For example, you might filter by deal stage, contact owner, label, or any custom fields you've set up. Take a moment to carefully set these conditions so you're only including the right contacts. This step is important because whatever your filter returns is who will receive your group email. Once your filter is applied and your list looks correct, you'll see all the matching contacts in the table. At the top left of that list, there's a Select All checkbox. Click this box to select every person currently visible in your filtered list. If your filter is broad, you might be selecting a large number of contacts, so it's a good idea to double-check the list before moving on. After your contacts are selected, you'll notice new actions appear above the list. Look for the Send Group Email button and click it. This opens the Group Email Composer, where you'll be able to choose how your message looks and what it says. Inside the Composer, select your email template. Templates are great because they keep your messaging consistent and save a lot of time. Pick the one that best fits the purpose of this email, review the subject line and body text, and personalize it if needed. When you're happy with everything, go ahead and click Send. Pipedrive will now send that email to everyone in your selected list using the template you chose.